Hi, welcome back. Say goodbye to dry skin days and hello to hydration heaven with Farmacy Beauty's new Honey Milk Essence. Farmacy Beauty recently launched Farmacy Honey Milk Hydrating Essence. Essence, which is a honey-infused milky essence hydrate, smooth, strengthen the skin's moisture barrier to help soothe dry skin, also calming redness. Let's talk about its key ingredients. Hawaiian white honey, which hydrates and soothes dry, irritated skin. Ceramides strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, while chamomile calms and soothes visible redness and irritation. It contains panthenol, vitamin B5, which plumps and repairs skin. This essence has no fragrance and absorbs quickly in my skin. Final thought. New honey milk. Hydrating essence instantly delivers hydration to my skin, calming and soothing any irritation. I love to use it as part of my skincare routine prior to using moisturizer and serum, as well prep my skin for makeup. Texture is so light and pleasant, my skin just drinks it instantly without feeling sticky. This fragrance-free essence is formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Highly recommended.